Hello guys, this is all new Creta SH model, just below the top variant. This is Hyundai Creta SH model keys. Keyless entry option is there in this model, as you can see clearly. Lock, unlock, boot opening, hold option. Remove sound, we can remove the sound. Let's coming to the front part. We get a nice chrome grille, as you can see clearly, with Hyundai logo. And this is the LED DRLs, daylight DRLs. And coming to these are the bulbs. And downside we are not getting DRLs. We are getting two fog light bulbs only. This is turn indicators. This is hook, as usual. And coming to this side also, same as usual, fog lights, daylight DRLs. We get a nice chrome grille, and the design is like a bull shape. It is mainly taken from Hyundai Palisade. And coming to the side profile, looks this like. Nice diamond cut alloy wheels, as you can see clearly. And we are getting door handles, chrome handles, as you can see clearly, chrome handles. And turn indicators on the mirrors also. And coming to this piano black finish is there. And coming to this part, we are getting one design starting from here and ending there. Both door handles come with chrome. And this is a keyless entry button. The option is also there. This is a request. Automatically by pressing this, car will lock and unlock. We can do keyless entry option is there. And coming to the roof rails, and huge panoramic sunroof, as you can see clearly. And shark fin antenna is there in this model particularly. And coming to the back side, as you can see clearly, SH model. This is again nicely we are getting tail lights, and this is high mounted stop light, as you can see clearly. Nice piano black finish starting from here and ending there. Creta logo. And coming to the back side, we are getting reverse camera. These are the new sensors, parking sensors, 4 sensors we are getting in this model. Coming to the, let's open the boot. We have so much use space, as you can see clearly. We get a nice use space. In this we are getting pedal light also, as you can see. In the night it is very useful, guys. And coming to this side, we are getting a hook to hold small things. And below this we are getting, let's try to open. Below this the spare wheel come, as you can see. Spare wheel is not an alloy wheel. This is normal. good amount of space is, as you can see clearly. Let's close the nice holding also option is there clearly. And coming to this side, let's take a left side of the profile. As you can see clearly, this is SS model diesel variant. Same, but we are getting only driver side request sensor, not passenger side request sensor. Chrome handles as usual. Let's get inside and show what are the features I will show. Coming to the side profile, we are getting dual tone structure like white and black combination. We are getting nice light chrome finish for door handles side inside, and these are the side mirror controls. Closing option, lock unlock, normal power windows option, child lock unlock. Coming to the speakers, I like the style the Hyundai has used here, the structure, nice initiative taken by Hyundai. And one bottle holder, some small purse storage to keep. And coming to the seat adjustment, we are getting up and front side, this upside seat adjustment also very nice. And let's get inside. And getting inside, let's keep a keys and see what are they are giving. This is the in this we are getting engine start stop button. These are the light controls. And coming to the AC vents, let's turn on the vehicle and see. As you can see guys clearly, this is how the instrument dashboard looks. This is SS variant guys. In the top of the top model, we get tire pressure monitor system, some extra features. And coming to the steering, let's start from here. Coming to the steering motor, we get a steering motor controls. These are voice commands, modes, volume up, volume down, track list we can change, call up, call down. This is a cruise control option. And these are the settings for the dashboard. Normal, again airbag options are there. Front to 2 airbags it will be in top of the model. We get 4 airbags I think so, with a nice Hyundai logo as usual. And coming to the side, we get a nice chrome finish as you can see clearly. And we get 2 tweeters and 4 speakers in this model. And coming to the front, we get dual tone white and black combination. We are getting hard plastic. It's very nicely fitted every aspect as you can see clearly. And coming to the, these are the wipers. Wipers work excellently as you can see clearly. And these are the side indicators. As you can see, side indicators normal. And coming to the this side also, we are getting nice AC vents surroundings chrome finish, nicely small. We can keep any change right over there. And same as usual, chrome finish with AC vents. And coming to the main hidden part is that you can see clearly the blue light, inbuilt blue light is been starting from here and going, and it will ends from till here. In the night it will be very good. And coming to the touch screen, it is 10 inches, I think so, 10.5, more than 10.5, I think so, more than. It is nice touch screen, same as Kia Seltos, I think so. It's coming as 3 parts in starting only. We are getting compass, normal inbuilt apps, inbuilt Google Maps. All over India he is providing. Without any internet connection also we can keep this maps will be helpful for you. And coming to the menu, as you can see clearly, we get an Apple CarPlay, BlueLink, phone normals, Android Auto, navigation system. In settings we can normal settings, display settings, general vehicle information. It's very good, as you can see clearly. Nicely it is working without any worries. And coming to the down part, we get an buttons option also, radio, navigation, map, media, volume up, volume down, normal. And coming to the down part, it is getting automatic climate control. We get automatic climate control, AC up down, hazard lights, as usual, hazard lights, AC off, rear front, normal. And coming to the down, we get a 12 watt input charging we can keep, and one Apple CarPlay USB is providing, and this is the fast charging, I think so. And mainly we are getting a wireless charging option also in this. As you can see clearly, these are the wireless charging option is giving. And coming to the we are getting 6-speed gear option, and reverse parking camera quality also I will show you. And we are getting there view option. I will show you what is this. And coming to the part, we are getting nice small spaces to keep some stuff, and hand brake, and nice hand rest we are getting in this model. Some space, good space. And coming to the dashboard, these are cool glow bots, I think so. Side also some space to give. And coming to the upside, we are getting on driver side vanity mirror. You are not getting here the vanity mirror, it is disappointment. In Verna model it is giving. And coming to the this is a night vision, BlueLink option also is connected, SOS option is also connected. In emergency it is very useful nowadays. Nice, again nice. And coming to the down part, as I shown, reverse parking camera I will show. Good, nice. It is showing, as you can see guys clearly, with adaptive guidelines. With adaptive guidelines, the reverse parking camera is showing. These are the sensors. It is clearly showing the vehicle image also, with very nice initiative again. And I told you I will show you view button. In the traffic we can see the backside vehicles by pressing this button. As you can see, view button option I pressed, it checks surroundings for you safety. In this we can increase the contrast and brightness also. Nice option is giving. View button pressing means it will come automatically. The backside camera will be open, and we can see in traffic what are the vehicles backside we are there. And coming to the seat, it is very comfortable. We can travel so many for hours without any back pain. The seats are very comfortable and nice. These are the aftermarket stitching, but not nice. The comfort level is also very nice. And coming to the upside part, We are getting two bulbs as usual. We are getting sunglass holder, and these are the main thing. Panoramic sunroof. We get a huge panoramic sunroof. As you can see, one pinch means only the shades will go. As you can see clearly, huge panoramic sunroof, and again pressing means the panoramic sunroof will be open. This is huge panoramic sunroof. Compared to Kia Seltos, it is better. It is not providing, but in this Creta is providing panoramic sunroof. In top model, we get with the voice commands. And coming to the steering, the steering is flat bottom, sports like its look. It is very comfortable. And I forgot to tell you that this is not it is adjustable up and down, but not we cannot pull. That is a one backlog is there in this disadvantage. And this is the nice stitching is giving, and small stitching also very good. Hard plastic once again, good. And let's go to back side. Let's get into backside and see what are the features is given. In the backside, we get nice sun shades, as you can see. Inbuilt curtains is giving. Nice initiative taken by Hyundai Creta. And power windows as usual. This is a nice chrome finish. Small space, and 1 liter water bottle we can keep here. Let's get inside. And from back side, it is nice space, and we are getting some magazine holder. We can keep some magazine holder here. And coming to this side, we get a charging. We get some space to keep, and some AC vents. 2 AC vents is giving, but the controllers of these AC vents are from front side only. Is not providing again backside controllers for the AC in this point of range. And coming to the side profile, as you can see clearly, as usual, is giving sunshade, sun blinds. Again, nice initiative taken, good sun blinds. And due to this huge panoramic sunroof, he cannot provide the lights this side, so he kept sidely. The lights have been given side in the handlebars only. As you can see, both sides is giving. Nice initiative again. And coming to the handrest, we are getting nice handrest with 2 bottle holders. It is very good. And coming to the upside, we are getting 2 headrests, and downside we are getting little hump, not a huge hump, little hump is giving. And as you can see, and coming to the back side, some space is there to keep any small items. It is nice. From back side, the front view looks this like. Let's go and listen the vehicle sound from outside also, guys. I will. These are the LED DRLs. Nice LED DRLs, daylight DRLs. I will show you the sound also. This is the back side, the lights will be look nice. Sound is also very smooth. Let's open the bonnet and this is how the inside bonnet looks. Nice insulation and CRDA 16V, same as Kia Seltos engine. Let's close the bonnet. I will drive the vehicle for you guys. As you can see guys, it is very smooth. The sound also not coming inside, the engine sound also. It's just like the petrol variant only. You can see, you can listen, I think so. Absolutely no sound. Let's listen the songs also.
I need a miracle. It's more than physical. What I need to feel it from you. Let me tell you, I need a miracle.
You turn this, go.
It's more than physical. What I need to feel it from you. I need a miracle.
Thus the sound quality also very good guys. The power, the engine power is also same like old Creta only, but with the refined, very refined. It is very smooth now compared to old Creta. You can see the ambient light. Night we get starting from there, and it will come at the here right side, driver side also in night side. This like the lighting will be there.